to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we're here at the entrance. I'm going to talk about a couple things real quick, if you could just get a little pander here. So that's basically the entryway you have to come in through Critter Country. Now you'll see my honey behind the camera's outfit here in a second, and she got stopped before we can get in here and had to basically disassemble some of her outfit. It was a little too Star Wars-like for her to get in. There was that. There's also, for you guys that have a reservation, we'll be putting this out this Sunday. You're going to have to go back to the launch bay in Tomorrowland, stand in line. So I'd recommend whatever your time is, do it like 2 hours earlier, because we're already on borrowed time as it is. So you're going to stand in line over there to get your wristband. Then you have to activate it over there. Then you're going to have to walk to the opposite side of the park over at the far end of Critter Country to come through this entrance. So all in all, it's going to take some time. So definitely set yourself at least an hour, maybe 2 hours from before whatever your check-in time. All right. We'll do some, we'll cover a lot here. So it's going to be a long video. So we'll walk around, show you all the sights and all the different shops. So let's go take a look. To stop for a second and just point this out. You know, this was supposed to be one of the most immersive lands in all of Disneyland, and I don't think they disappointed. I mean, from the mountains to the shops you can see in the background, you literally feel you're on a futuristic netherland. Even the small details, like this over here. Just the lights, the little pathway lights, you know, how the detail in that, everything. It's really amazing, a fantastic job already. So let's continue to check out the land.
Hey guys, I'm going to play these next few clips and just let the audio and video kind of speak for themselves. Of course, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge looks amazing, but I think one of the underrated parts about it is really the sound. It's something you're really going to have to see in person to really experience, but it is, from the live to the ambient sounds, it's really amazing what they did. But, you know, check out these few clips and you guys can kind of get it, you know, judge for yourself what you think of the land.
salad. Yip yop shrimp noodle salad. Cool thing is these sports. Can't tell obviously by the video, but these are very heavy duty. Oh man. These weigh like a pound. Like seriously, if you think about that, it's a lot. They are super heavy duty. So are these trays. You're getting some no plastic here, man, which is pretty cool. All right, so let's give this a try here. Yip yob noodle salad, shrimp salad. Very good. It's like it's chilled, so it's like a chilled shrimp linguine almost, but very nice light taste. This is pretty cool. You've got these Dasani water bottles here, and keeping with the Star Wars theme, you know, they've got like the way it's worded, it's pretty unique. Little unique little logos on there. That was kind of a nice touch. But yeah, all right.
So this right here is a Batuu bon. I'm thinking it's supposed to taste like a bonbon. Maybe there's chocolate in here. Ooh, it is. Oh my god, it's so rich. It's like chocolate all crushed up in one, all like molded. It's really, really rich. It's good. It has a lot of flavor. I actually do like it. It's good. Delicious. Love it. Yum, 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 yum.
I've seen your face before.
Once or twice.
You were seen with a couple of suspicious droids. Stand back, citizens. You maintain a safe distance.
They've been clear.
We'll need you to come with us.
Fine.
Resume normal activity. This threat has been neutralized. Bolts, for your safety, do not approach the fugitive. The fugitive is now the prisoner. Tell him they resisted. Say they got your blaster. Well, I thought the general might want to... He wouldn't. Right. Yes, sir. I have made a decision.
Yes.
You are now free to go.
Thank you.
Please refrain from further public disturbances. Enjoy the day.
All right, so we're here at Doc Undar's Den of Antiquities, and would you just look at this guy here, man? He is busy with the antiquities. Anyways, all right, so we're getting a few things here. I'll just have you pan around. You can kind of take a look. It's pretty busy in here. Anyways, really cool Sith as well as Jedi stuff you can find in here. Is quite a line to get in here as well, and as you can see, it's pretty compact and pretty busy. So that's our 4-hour block here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and it's been a blast. Definitely the most immersive land in all of Disneyland, without a doubt. Can't wait till they open everything up. We didn't get a chance to go on the Millennial Falcon ride. Line was pretty long, and we wanted to hit all the stores and see what they had to offer, as well as try some food out here. So you'll have to stay tuned and check out what we have in store for you later. So, all right, guys. So do us a favor: if you like what you saw, hit that like and subscribe button, and you can follow us on Instagram, Club 34 Disneyland. And until next time, we'll see you right back here at Disneyland. really amazing, a fantastic job already. So let's continue exploring. So let's continue to see